Hey guys, Devontae with Next Level Icons. I just want to make a quick video about our promo that's going on right now. For $27.95, we show you how to adjust your W-4 because 80% of Americans have their W-4s filled out incorrectly, which will bring more money on your paycheck than what you're currently making now. We show you how to build good credit. Not everyone has good credit, or not everyone uses credit, but majority of the people that has and want to use credit, you need a good credit score to do things. We show you how to build that. Help you minimize your taxes. Show you how to eliminate debt. And we also show you how to build investment income. Those 5 strategies alone will help you bring in more money than what you're making right now, starting next week. So I'm looking for 2 people who want to start today, get you started for $12.95. I'll send you a discount code. You can get started today for $12.95, and we'll get you up and running tonight so you can start making more income next week. Who's ready? I am. But this is a quick video. Devontae, I'm out. Peace.